The feature of converting handwritten text to computer text will also work with numbers. So if I'm going to go to full screen, and let's make sure we've got a pen selected, and I'm going to type here 2 plus 3 equals, pick up the select tool, select that, and okay, so that's pretty good, except for the T, but you can also double click there and then change that. We're going to give it another try. Let's go back to the pens. If you remember, the shortcuts have to be quite handy, definitely with the Control 2 and Control 1. Let's try it again. So let's do 5 times 7 equals Control 1. There's the select tool. Okay, so that's pretty handy to use also with maths. It will also work with other language if you are teaching different languages. I happen to be a Hebrew teacher as well as computers teachers. So I can show you here that if I'm going to, once again, pick up the pen tool, and I'm going to write here Boker Tov, which is good morning in Hebrew. Control 1 on the keyboard for the select tool, and I will need to now recognize language. You can add more. I've got Hebrew here selected already, that's Ivrit, and it recognizes the word. Let's try with this word as well, and there we go. So if you are teaching 4 languages, go ahead and see if that language is part of the package that's offered by the Smart Notebook software, and give it a go.